Hey everybody, and welcome to episode 19 of Fear of Becoming Obsolete, where career advice and pop culture collide to help you shape your path to success. I'm Auld, your friendly neighborhood product owner. In these videos, I bring 25 years of experience within Fortune 500 companies where we've leveraged agility to build products that customers love and build organizations that are resilient to anything the market can throw at them. I'm also one of the only few people that have been granted the dual certification of Registered Scrum Trainer and Registered Scrum at Scale Trainer by Scrum Inc., who's led by the co-founder of Scrum and a signer of the Agile Manifesto, Dr. Jeff Sutherland. As you've seen in recent episodes or in one of my training classes, I am a giant believer in the power of the product owner. Product owners have a direct correlation to the success of a company because they build the products and services that our customers love and give us money for. And until my mortgage banker will take hugs in lieu of payment, money is important. But have you ever wondered why companies oftentimes hinder the potential impact of their product owners? Are you seeing this happen at your company and you're ready to try a new approach? If so, grab your coffee, tea, or your favorite adult beverage and join us today as we focus on the top 5 ways companies fail their product owners and what they should be doing to unleash their power. Steve Jobs famously said, "It doesn't make sense to hire smart people and then tell them what to do. We hire smart people so they can tell us what to do." Sadly, I witnessed this statement being contradicted far too often. In the pursuit of agility, companies assemble Scrum teams without providing the necessary training or support. They expect these teams to deliver twice as fast and half the time, resulting in a recipe for failure. To compound the issue, product owners are put in place but face unnecessary restrictions. They're denied the autonomy to ship a product when they believe it's ready, or to approve a budget request for crucial tools that will enhance productivity. Their decision-making power is constantly overshadowed by cumbersome approval processes and meddling bosses. This leads to an alarming amount of waste. Wasted time, wasted money, and wasted talent. If a company is not comfortable granting full autonomy to its product owners, it's time to reassess the pursuit of agility or reevaluate the suitability of the individuals in these roles. In this video, I will share the top 5 constraints I have observed over the past holding back product owners from creating the exceptional products that their companies truly deserve. Number 1, assigning a part-time product owner. The product owner is responsible for maximizing the value of the product. To do this, they have to be an expert on the product, the customer, the competition, and the overall market. Too often, we ask the product owner to do this and their day job. It just can't be sustained over a long period of time. This is a full-time job, full stop. If your products are struggling, start here. Make the change to a full-time product owner, and you will see instant benefits from the product and probably a much happier employee. If you happen to be a part-time product owner who successfully managed to navigate this balancing act, I would be delighted to learn from your experience and feature you in an upcoming video. Please reach out to me. The second most common way companies fail their product owners is by assigning a proxy product owner. Instead of having the real product owner actively involved in day-to-day activities, they delegate this responsibility to a proxy in their absence. Unfortunately, this arrangement never proves effective. The team quickly realizes that the proxy lacks any real authority, resulting in delays for every question or decision that requires their input. Every conversation becomes a tedious process involving multiple cycles of back and forth, ultimately stretching what could have been a 30-minute discussion into a 4-day ordeal. In contrast, A full-time product owner is readily available to the team within 15 minutes or less. Given the significant investment in the team of 3 to 9 people, it becomes evident that if the product owner cannot provide timely clarity when needed, valuable time and money go down the drain. To maximize productivity and minimize unnecessary costs, it's crucial for companies to prioritize a dedicated, accessible product owner who can swiftly address the team's queries and ensure efficient decision making. The number 3 way companies fail their product owners: they constrict the decision-making authority of the product owner. One of the most detrimental ways companies fail their product owners is by imposing limitations on their decision-making authority. In essence, this sends a resounding message of distrust. They're saying, we don't have faith in your abilities, double check with us at all times. By confining the authority of product owners, companies effectively shackle their potential. Product owners find themselves constantly under the watchful eyes of leaders, and as a result, they begin to play it safe. Rather than pushing the boundaries and fostering innovation, they opt for conservative choices. Truly exceptional companies, on the other hand, provide their product owners with clear direction and then step back, allowing them the freedom to excel. In instances where product owners require guidance or wish to discuss an idea or challenge, enlightened leaders seize these moments as opportunities for teaching. However, it's important to recognize that certain lessons can only be learned through hands-on experience. They cannot simply be imparted. Remarkable product owners often bear the scars of decisions that didn't pan out, but their resilience shines through as they seldom repeat the same mistakes. Embracing the learning process is crucial. The number 4 way that companies fail their product owners is the companies pick a product owner that doesn't love their product. For great product owners, outside of their family, this product is their baby. This is the first thing they think about at work, and it's the last thing they think about before they call it a day. They know this product inside and out. Where is it better than the competition? Where is it weaker than the competition? And why do our customers love or hate this product? They sweat all of the details because they see the success of the product as a reflection on their value as a professional. I have been a product owner for giant retail websites, massive data warehouses and analytic solutions, and dozens of house flips, and every product reflects me. Working on products I love does not feel like work. It's fun. And I find myself wishing for a few extra hours in the week so I can just get a bit more done before the next release. Identifying individuals within your organization who share that level of passion for your product ensures their unwavering dedication to its success. They will invest everything they have to make it thrive. And the number 5 way companies fail their product owners is they give them a part-time team. Andrew's 20% allocated, Jennifer's 25%, Daniel's 20%, Ria's 40%, and Dana's 50% allocated. Now go make us a great product. How can you have any predictability in the delivery of the product with a part-time team? We end up spending all of our time just trying to sync up calendars of when we can meet, or spending all of our time catching each other up from the stuff they missed since last time. If this product is integral to the company's success, treat it that way. Give your product owners cross-functional teams that are 100% available. Stop worrying about individual utilization and start worrying about maximizing business value. Great companies actually let the product owners select their teams. If their career success hinges on the success of the product, why not let them pick the team they want to help build it? This is what I had to do out of necessity at a medical device company, and we completely stood up a data warehouse and a business intelligence solution in 6 months with only 7 people. I was just able to pick the right 7 people. Stop limiting the success of the product and hence the product owner by forcing them to cobble together a part-time team and expect exceptional results from them. I've never seen this end well. So, there you have it. The top 5 ways companies are failing their product owners. What did I miss? What have you experienced? What advice would you give to a product owner? Please share your ideas in the comments. You may help out a person that you may never have the chance to meet. I would personally like to invite you to join me for a training in 2023. We have Scrum at Scale classes, which will help you build a scaling roadmap for your company. We have registered product owner classes coming up, which will give you the tools to build world-class products. And the Scrum Master class will give you the perfect foundation to understand what Scrum is and how it can benefit you and your company. Don't let the name fool you. This is not just for Scrum Masters. This is for everybody that is trying to approach their work in an inclusive, efficient, and sustainable approach. Classes are set up for 2023. Grab one of the remaining seats before they're gone. There will be a link in the comments to get you into a class. Lastly, every little thing you do for us helps us to keep putting out these videos for you. So if you would be so kind, before you go, please like, comment, share, or subscribe. Share FOBO with a friend. Share FOBO with an enemy. Together, let's all stay relevant at work. I am Tom Auld, your friendly neighborhood product owner signing off. Have a valuable week and take care.